2013 Acura TL 3.5. I don't know if that really matters. We're going to do the oil reset on this. Rather simple, actually. Don't put your foot on the brake. Just hit the button twice so it turns everything on, but it doesn't start the car. And once you come up with this menu, you've got these buttons down here, the information button, select and reset, and down button. You hit the select and reset button, and that's going to bring up, you want to bring, I think I passed it. So you want to go to the oil life, and then you want to push and hold the select and reset button, and it's going to take a few seconds. So give it probably about 10-15 seconds, and then it'll bring up the reset menu, and then you're going to click on the up button to reset, and then you're going to click on the select button, and that'll reset it, or hold down. Yeah, there we go. So oil life is back to 100%, and you are all set.